Hi everybody, it's Tony again. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing fine, okay? So in this video, I would like to share with you about what exactly the sales funnel is. So in the last video, we talked about what affiliate marketing was, and today I want to get into it in a deeper detail about what it is so that you can understand the bigger picture of how we can get the potential customers into our sales funnels or the environment or the ecosystems that we created. Okay, without further ado, let's get into it. Hey guys, let's come back to our sales funnel topic here today. So by the idea of having the sales funnel created is that we want to have it as the ecosystem that our potential customer can come in and then get to know us, get to know our offer or our product that we want to promote to them, so that they can get the experience of what it actually is on the surface, the face value, the surface value a little bit before they decide to buy later on after they get into the sales funnel deeper and deeper in the process, okay? So we begin with the 3 simple steps here. Okay, this one is what we call the squeeze page. Okay, squeeze page, or some people might call it the opt-in page. Okay, so that we can bring people in from, let's say, Facebook and YouTube, and then we lead them here using a bait. Could be an ebook or a mini course or some other services that you can provide to your potential customers so that they can get a glimpse of what it is. It must be something related to your product that you want to promote, okay? So they can come here, and then after they come here, they will leave the email. Okay, we can tell them, hey, if you want this ebook, this $37 ebook, you can leave your email here for free for the information or for the report, you know, like what is the hottest product that you can promote during 2021 or something like that, okay? And after they opt into your email, you can lead them to, well, this is I will just give you the simplest form of affiliate marketing first. You can lead them to the sales page, okay? Sales page, I'll just put it as an S, okay? And then hopefully once they buy, you can get the money here, okay? Ta-da! So after you get their emails, you can put them into what we call the email autoresponder. I will just put it as autoresponder. This is like a storage of yours that collects all the emails of your potential customers so that you can follow up with them, because you know most likely they are not going to buy from the first time they see your offer, so that you can follow up with them and then lead them back to the sales page, okay? To the sales page. It can be as long as 6 months long, 6 months, or even 1 year long, so that you know you can build relationship with the people better. By saying 6 months long or 1 year long, it doesn't mean that you have to send them emails every single day pitching them something or things like that. So what it means is that it takes the 6-month period, but in those periods it could be like you can send to them like a couple of emails per week, so you can just create like probably only 90 emails. You know, you can build the email following sequence later on. You don't have to build it from the very first time. You know, at the very beginning you might want to have only 1 or 2 months long worth of the email sequence, and that should be fine. And then later on you can just, you know, keep building up your emails into your email arsenal later on, okay? So it takes about 7 to 12 exposures or emails for your most of your customers or potential customers to buy. So it's going to take time right here. So all we need to do here is that we have to pay attention on the traffic, and here we call traffic, okay? Everything here is called traffic. You know, in the Facebook profile, in the Facebook group, people might want to enjoy only the topic they are into. For example, you go to the group of people who are enjoying, let's say, cute animals. You are not going to get the quality leads, and we call these people who come into our email autoresponder as leads. Okay, so you have to make, what should I say, make an alignment, you know, like judging like whether or not this kind of people are suitable to our offer, you know, because you can sell, let's say, an internet marketing products to people who are into it only, most likely, right? So you are less likely to sell this kind of product to people who are into cute videos of animals, like cat videos or something like that. So you have to use your common sense a little bit, okay? And also on YouTube as well, you attract people only those who are interested in the topic, in the niche, okay? So that you don't just, you know, randomly shoot for your targets or something like that, okay? Just so you know. So these are leads. These people, they are doing something on their let's say, daily lives, on their platform, on their YouTube and Facebook, not knowing that we are actually like try to sell them something or pitching them and things like that, which is fine. But like once they are into here, you know, this is our universe, okay? Well, actually only here as an affiliate, okay? This is our universe. We can curate them, we can cultivate them, you know, build the relationship, the rapport, give them something of value so that they can, you know, like, and trust us. These three things are very important in selling everything, you know, like know, like, and trust. You will hear this, these three words more as you go along the trend, along the ride of marketing. Not only affiliate marketing, but also other stuff, other types of marketing as well. So it's know, like, and trust. So first they come, they get to know you, who you are, and things like that, okay? But this model is just the simple model that I just want to give it to you so that you can get the idea of what it actually is. But nowadays, it doesn't work like this anymore, because the conversion rate, if you do this, it's gonna take only, you know, from the email autoresponder, from your squeeze page or opt-in page here, people would come here to, let's say, your sales page, only 1% maximum, okay? I'll just erase this out so that you understand better, so that you don't get confused. And in order to increase the click-through rate, this is the opt-in rate, okay? This is the opt-in rate. Opt-in rate here, and this is the click-through rate or CTR, okay, that they opt in and then they click over to the sales page of the product you are promoting, okay? So in order to increase the percentage here, you have to have something in between the opt-in page and also the sales page, and that is called the bridge page, okay? I'm gonna put it as BP, okay? And in here, it's like, could be a one page of the information or of your videos, telling you who you are as a person. Hey, I'm John, or something like that. John. Okay. Hey, I'm John, and I've been doing, let's say, affiliate marketing for the past 3 months, and it worked magic for me. And before that, I failed so many years because I only bought the low quality programs and things like that. Just like my story here, that I've been in the affiliate world for the past 2.5 years. With the first 2 years, I failed miserably, spending about $15,000 on those low quality programs, because at the time I was looking for shortcuts only. So let's say, hey, I'm John, this is my story, blah, blah, blah. It could be as long as, let's say, 2 pages long or something like that. Or it just be 1 page, but like very long down the line here, something like that. So that, you know, if you want to have, let's say, a success, if you want to have success that I have, please click the link here, and then the link would lead them back to the sales page. This way you can build more relationship or better relationship with your potential customers or your leads, and then build the rapport, the know, like and trust factor here. So it will be, could be up to let's say 3% to 8% of the click-through rate that you can get from doing this. It's just one thing that is missing in between here, okay? At the very beginning, I also did this. A lot of people, they told me that, well, you don't have to collect emails. You can just, you know, buy some ads from Facebook that was very popular back then, and then just push people through this process, this page, and then they will come to this page and things like that. So let's say if you have 100 visitors coming to your sales funnel a day, with 1%, okay, with 1%, you can only get one person to buy, okay? So if this 1%, this one product of yours costs only, let's say, $20, okay? With the cost of buying ads, it's gonna be a lot more than just the $20 that you gain during the day, okay? So it's not gonna be something that you wanna do at all here. And then, but if, let's say you have 100 people, and then you have, let's say, 5% of people who buy after 100 people come in, then you would get, let's say, 5 sales. 5 sales of $20 is like $100. Let's say you get 100 leads per day, you are going to break even. And by saying you break even doesn't mean that you are at a loss. Oh, I put $100 in, and you get only $100 out, so it's even, so what's the point of doing this? But actually you forget to realize that by breaking even here, you put 100 in, you get 100 out. The greatest asset that you want to have, that you might forget that this is actually the greatest thing that you can ever possess online. It's called the list, okay? The email list. So that's why people call the rich is in the list. You know, by having a very active, what should I say, subscribers to your email list, you can just, let's say, not only promote the product for this time, you can also promote them products in the future as well, as long as the relationship between you and your subscribers are very good. So I would just like you to, at the very beginning, focus on building the email list here by having the bridge page here installed into your sales funnel so that they can get to know, like and trust you more, and then you can curate the people here as much as you can, as best as you can, so that they can be a customer, not only for the first time customer, but also, let's say, the long-term customer, the loyal customers. Let's say this is just the sales funnel for only the first product of yours. Later on down the line, let's say 3 months after that, 6 months after that, you might have another product here. Let's say the second funnel, okay? The second sales funnels, SF here, that you could sell something to them that is complementary to the first product that you already sold to them, all right? This one could be, let's say, $300 product. This one could be, let's say, $700 and things like that. But this one has to add value to the customers that already bought your first product. You cannot just give them, let's say, random products just to make quick bucks here and there. Oh, you might be able to make some quick bucks here and there, but you at the same time will damage the relationship between you and your subscribers if you don't promote something that are relevant to your niche or to your market, okay? So that's it, guys, for today. I hope you get a lot of value from this video. If you want to know more about this one, if you really want to learn about affiliate marketing to the very core, I have the #1 program that I used at this very moment that I recommend to you to check out. And let's say if you want to know more about the autoresponder here, which I use as from a company called GetResponse, that is very beginners friendly and is working just fine for me. I also included in the link below. You can check them out. Not only this one, but also other resources that I use. So if you like it, please hit subscribe and like and tick the notification bell so that you can get more of the videos like this exposing the affiliate marketing for you guys. So thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention and everything that you put into. I know that at this very moment, all over the world is very busy with the pandemic and everything. So you pay attention to my course, to my videos here. It's already takes up a lot of your time. So thank you very much for your help and your support as always. So it's Tony Sees signing off for now.